Well, hello there. Just one more reminder because it is kind of important. Don't forget, this is when we fall back. We gain that extra hour of sleep. I know that doesn't apply to dog parents because you still have to take them out in the morning. They are not aware that they get the extra hour, but it's going to do a couple of things. It's going to move our sunrise time to 6:21, and it's going to move our sunset time to 4:37 for tomorrow. It's also a good idea to change out the batteries in your smoke detectors and your carbon monoxide detectors because you should be changing them out a couple times a year. And this is a perfect opportunity when you think about it. This is not where we topped out today. We actually hit 60 today. So we topped out 2 degrees warmer than our average. So really an average day. It was chilly, but again, seasonably so. We do have clear skies in place as we're heading through the overnight, and temperatures are already dropping into the 30s as a result. We're down to 37 right now in Taunton, and we do have 38 degrees right now in Smithfield. Otherwise, we are in the 40s. We even have 50 out on Block Island, where we're insulated by that warmer ocean water. High pressure is our dominant weather feature in the northeast, and that is giving us clear skies, and that's going to take us into a sun-filled day for your Sunday. So it's sort of living up to its name, if you will. Our futurecast is showing ample sunshine to start us off very early in the morning when the sun comes up. But take a look at these estimated morning lows. We have the potential of doing a freeze in some areas of southern New England where that temperature drops below 32. And that's not going to be our coldest morning. We're going to do an even colder morning as we start Monday. This is your estimated high temperatures as we look towards Sunday. It is going to be cooler too. And then as we hit the evening hours, real fast drop for temperatures back into the 30s. If you do have Sunday evening plans, you're definitely going to need an extra layer out there if you want to achieve any degree of comfort. Now, as we start Monday morning, we're going to see more widespread below freezing temperatures. So this is when we have a better chance of picking up a freeze during the overnight. And then we're going to bring in some clouds. Now, these clouds that will be moving in are going to cap the warming in about the mid-50s, but they're also associated with a warm front. So even though we do have a slight chance of showers Monday into Tuesday, as that warm front comes through, it's going to pull our temperatures way up. These are estimated overnight lows, so you'll notice that we do have a good chance of going into a freeze as we go into the next couple of days. So that's what we're going to be watching for in terms of temperature. Now, we do still have really super dry conditions out there, and we do have the fire weather risk that has been continued through Sunday evening. That means outdoor burning is not advised at all because we have a lot of available dry tinder. We're going to see just the slightest breeze in the afternoon, but your afternoon relative humidities will likely drop in a range of 20 to 40%. Super duper dry. Hey, look. The tropics. Yeah, we're still in hurricane season, and we not only have a subtropical storm, that's Patty. Patty is going to be going through the Azores over the next 48 hours, but we do have this, our new tropical wave, and it's technically called Invest 97AL Atlantic. We are watching for its development, and it does have the potential of developing into our next storm. It's just a watch and wait sort of situation, but right now models are giving it a 70% chance of tropical development within the next 48 hours. It would get the next name on the list, by the way, which is Raphael, for those of us keeping track at home. So for tonight, mainly clear. It is going to be on the cold side. Temperatures will likely drop off to near 32 degrees. As we go to tomorrow, we're looking at lots of sunshine. It will be cool, but it will be very dry. Look for highs topping out in the lower 50s. And our extended forecast shows that our next real appreciable chance of rain will be Wednesday night into early Thursday morning. Rain should shut off by 8 a.m. if we see it, and right now it's a 30% chance that we will.
All right, and still a nice week ahead.
Yeah.
Not too cold.
No. In fact, Wednesday we get a big warm up. So if you miss the 70s, you don't have to wait too long. They will be back on Wednesday. A one-day only event, though, so make the most of it.
That's good news, especially after this past week. It was so warm.
Yeah, absolutely.
All right, thanks, Kelly.
Sure.
Ian, over to you.